Invite collaborator on Instagram after posting. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to discuss whether or not we can actually invite collaborators on Instagram after posting. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you have the Instagram application and then let's say that there is a post that you could have already posted, and then I want to invite collaborators to this after I've posted it because I don't want to lose the likes or comments or whatever else. Now the best way I recommend is that if you've only just posted it, by the way, like it's been a minute or something like that, you can just delete it, and next time whenever you're trying to actually add a new post over here, so let me go ahead and then try to add a new post like this. You can just go ahead and then tap on this icon and then create a photo like this, and then you can choose to actually invite collaborators whenever you're posting something new by tapping the tag people option, tapping on invite collaborators. This is the best way to do it. Now keep in mind that from Instagram's point of view, in an official way, there is not an option to actually invite collaborators after posting it. You can actually just tag the people. You can go to the edit button and you can choose to tag people, but you can't really invite collaborators. So what do? The first thing we're going to do is we're going to just copy the link of this particular photo. So tap the three dots option, tap on this DMs icon, and then just choose to copy the link of this particular image. If you want, you can also just go ahead and then take a screenshot of this post. Now what we're going to do is we're actually going to contact Instagram and then let them know that we want to invite collaborators after we've posted, and this is a really important photo, so you can't really delete it. So come to your profile tab, tap the three lines option, go to settings option, and then just go to help, report a problem, and then just go ahead and then select report problem without shaking, tap on include and continue, and right over here you can simply paste the link of the image that we copied. And if you want, also upload the photo of this particular post that we took a screenshot of, and here you just want to write that this is a photo that you cannot delete, and then you will have to invite collaborators, and then make sure to enter the username of the collaborators that you want to add, and Instagram will do that for you and reply to you with a positive solution. We are contacting Instagram because there isn't an official way on how you can do this yourself. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.